Magandang araw mga boss. Meron tayo ritong Toy Biz 1994. 16 inches tall boss, no. Okay. Makinis naman boss eh. Makinis na boss. Ito by design boss. By design, no. Battery operated, no. Parang dalawang to double A yata, no. Pagkakatanda ko boss, no. Ito, wala naman. Ito boss, ganyan talaga yan ha. May nagtanong kasi last time. Akala discoloration, hindi po, no. By design. Ito boss, by design din dyan, okay. Okay. May napansin lang ako dito, parang may maliit na paint chip ayun boss. Yun yung napansin nyo, parang may maliit na red doon na paint chip. Tsaka ito boss, parang dito may gas tyro, ano, yun yung maliit na yun. Pero actually boss, madaling ano yan eh, madaling remedyohan yan, no. Pero hindi naman siya nakikita, no. Then ayan boss, authentic to ha. Tapos gumagana, ayan, no. Nandito medyo mahina kasi nasa likod, no. Ayan po yan, no. Yan boss, pasilip lang, pasilip. Ang movement nito boss, ganito lang. Oo, kasi boss, 1994 to. Ito boss, yan, ganyan lang, no. Ito boss, wala, hindi namin ginagalaw-galaw to boss. Ano. O, pwede nyo naman galawin yan, okay? Pero much better kasi naka ano lang, no. Kasi parang statue type, di ba? Ayan boss. May statue type eh, ganun lang yung pormahan boss, no. Again boss, yan. Pasilip lang. Ito sa may interesado beforehand, pwede nyo kami message boss ha. O, isasalang namin to. Pero yun nga, sa mga gusto or may interesado na, pwede nyo kami PM or DM boss. This is a Toy Biz 1994. Stands 16 inches tall boss, no. Ito lang yung nagagalaw. Ito lang boss. Don't expect ng articulation because this is a 1994 boss. That time hindi pa naman ganun ka sila on the articulation. And besides boss, statue type ang ano niya, no, ang kanyang pagka model ng boss. Again boss, no, maraming salamat po.